Alright, so welcome back again to this tutorial again. Alright, thank you very much for sticking with me through these lessons. Okay, so we have another question today. As you can see, you have x, u, and y there. So we have variables here. We have variables there. Alright, so how do we solve for the variables? Because in this case, we are looking for the value of x, u, and y in each of the question. So how do we go about this? So I'm going to take the rough again. Okay, so now mentally people solve this by saying that which is one of the methods that you can use to solve this. Okay, so this is 5 here, it is equal to 20, and x is equal to 12. Now, which number will you multiply by 5 to get 20? If you know your multiplication timetable very well, you will know that 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. So what is happening here is that there is a number here that when you multiply it by 4, you get 12. So that is the value of that number, is the value of x. But now, which number is that? If you know your multiplication times table very well, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, meaning x is 3. Are you getting it? X is 3. Alright, so now let's do it this way. There's another method again. Because you know that 5 times 4 is 20, now you divide the number here at the top, which is 12, by the 4. So 12 divided by 4 will give you 3. Are you seeing that? Alright, so now let's move ahead. So it means that x is 3 over 5, which is equal to 12 over 20. So it means that 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 4 is 20. Now, if you are asked to show workings, now you will not be asked to show workings. You will just be given the question to find the value of x. Okay, as a good student, you have to show workings. How did you get, or how did you come about the answer? Okay, so now let's do it. X over 5 is equal to 12 over 20. We are looking for the value of x. So in this case, what we do is that we use what we call the cross multiplication method. Now, it is like the times. It's like this. Okay, so it means that this x here will multiply the 20. Okay, and x will multiply the 20. Okay, and 12 or 5 will multiply the 12. Alright, so now we have something like this. X, okay, times 20 is equal to 5 times 12. Now, children, you need to know that x times 20, because any number times a variable is the number and the variable. For example, you have 2 times x, it should be equal to 2x, which means that 20 times x is 20x is equal to 5 times 12. If you know your multiplication times table very well, 5 times 12 is 60. Now, when you are done like this, what we are looking for is x. So what do? We divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Divide both sides by the coefficient. Okay, so you have 20x over 20 is equal to 60 over 20, which means because we have 20 and 20 here, we cancel it out. So now we have x on its own, which is what we are looking for. Now, 60 divided by 20, you cancel this 0 with this 0. Now we are left with 6 over 2. 2 will go into 6. 2 will go into itself 1 into 6 3 times. So x is equal to 3. So you can see that what we are all having the same number. So therefore, the value of x is 3. Okay. All right. So now let's move on to the next question, and I'm going to allow you to do the number 3 by yourself. All right. There is a number that when you multiply by 7, you get 56. Which number is that? If you know your 7 times table very well, you will know that what? Let's start from 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6, when we add 7 to this, you get what? 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. 42. Okay? Now, when you add another 7 to this, which is 7 times 7, you get what? 49. Now, 7 times 8 is equal to what? 56. So it means that what? 7 times 8 will give you 56. Exactly. 56. Now, it means that when you multiply 19 by 8, you will get what is here. So when we do 19 times 8, 19 times 8, what do you get? So 9 times 8 is what? 9 times 8 is what? If you don't know which, you do what? 8 times 8, which will give you 64. Okay? Now 64, 8 times 9 will now be what? You add 8 to this. So you have what? 72. So it means here 9 times 8 is 72. You write 2 and you carry over 7. Now, 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 7 is what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 152. Which means that what? The value of u is what? 152. So we have here to be what? 56 over 152. Okay, so now let's try to solve it with the cross multiplication method. You have 7 over 19 is equal to 56 over u. Cross multiply 7 with u and 56 with what? With 19. Okay, so it will be 7 times u is equal to 56 times 19. Okay, u. So 7 times u is 7u, because any number times a variable is the number in the variable. Now 56 times 19. 56 times 19. Now 6 times 9 is what? If you don't know it, what happens is that you do what? 6 times 10, or 10 times 6, you get what? 60. You subtract 6 from it, then you get what? You get what? 54. Exactly. 54. Alright, so now we have here to be 54. So you write 4 and you carry 5. 9 times 5 we know is 45. Plus 5 is 50. Now 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. Now we add together 4, 6, 10. So it's equal to what? 1064. Okay, so that's 1064. Now we divide both sides by the coefficient, okay, by the coefficient of u, which is 7. So 7 will cancel 7, remainder u. Okay, so now how many times will 7 go into 10? It should go there 1 times. Okay, remainder 3. So we add the 3 to here, that's 364. Okay, now so now how many times will 7 go into 36? 7 will go into 36 5 times, which is 35. Remainder 1, we'll put it in front of the 4, so that's 14. Now how many times will 7 go into 14? 2 times, so we have what? 152. So you can see that what we have, what, the same number here. Therefore the value of u is equal to 152. Now I will allow you to do the number 3 by yourself, and you can send me the answer in the comment. Okay, or if you're sure about your answer, then good luck to you. Alright, I'm going to stop here now, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And also thank you for watching.